Welcome to our next lesson in axioms. First question is which pair of angles are supplementary? The given diagram. So supplementary means, so if we observe these two are given. So 130 degree plus 50 degree equal to 180. So these two angles are supplementary. And also incidentally these two angles are also supplementary. Which pair it says. So we'll find what is this. We know the entire total is 360. These two are 180. So these two are also 180. 180. This is angle is 60. So other pair is 120 plus 60 is equal to 180. So you can write ABC. You can put here. This is 4. You can put A, B, C, D. You can write the angles also. DOA is equal to 120 like that. So BOC is equal to 60. BOC is equal to 60. So instead of writing like this, you can write BOA plus, so this we are going to DOC is equal to 180. First pair. So next pair is these two. 120 plus 60. So how we can write? You can write this name it. You write what is 130? Yeah. DOC like this you can write plus AOP equal to 180 degrees. Similarly, DOA plus BOC angle BOC equal to 180 degrees. So next problem. Suppose two adjacent angles are supplementary and one of the angle is obtuse. Prove that the other angle must be acute. So what we have seen, one straight line. So these two angles. So let us call it theta 1, theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2. As per the rule, it is equal to angle 180 degrees. So it says one is obtuse. Let us take this theta 2 as obtuse. Obtuse means theta 1 plus this obtuse angle. Let us say it is 90 plus some theta. We don't know what is it. Is equal to 180. So this is 90 plus theta. So if you deduct 90, theta 1 plus some theta, we don't know what is equal to 90. You transpose this 90 this side. So therefore, theta 1 is less than 90. Therefore, acute angle. Wait, theta 1 plus some angle equal to 90. If you deduct this angle, it's less than 90. Theta cannot be 0 because this is obtuse 90 plus something. This theta is positive. So next we will see one of the postulate. Postulate 5. This postulate, if a straight line meets two other lines so as to make two interior angles on one side of it together less than two right angles, the other straight lines will meet if produced on that side on which the angles are less than two right angles. This is the postulate. So the postulate means there are two lines. Straight line meets two other lines. If a straight line like this meets two other lines such that two interior angles on one side of it together less than two right angles. So for example, these two angles are less than sum of these two angles, this theta 1 plus theta 2 is less than 180 degree. That's means what is this interior angle? So these two are interior angle. These here it is exterior angle. This is interior angle. This is exterior. Similarly here, this is exterior angle. These two are interior. So here this side 180 angle. These two is less than 180. What is this? So in this side, if you produce, it will meet. That is the thing. So if this is less than 90, it will expand. If in this case, if you expand, if the sum is more than 90, it will go on expand. Here this do not meet. That is the meaning of it. So we'll draw this again as the diagram is not clear. Actually, these two straight, so the line, these two angles, these two are the straight line. This is the third line meets the other two lines. These two are interior angles. These two are also interior angle. Here, sum of the interior angle is less than 180. Here, it is greater than 180. It will not meet. Greater than means it won't meet. It will expand. If it is less than 180, when it extends somewhere, it meets. That's what it means. Next, we will see some of the properties. When these two and these two straight these lines, mark are parallel to each other. And the third line cuts. In this case, here also it is not less than 180. Here also it is not less. It is equal to 180 means it's parallel. So parallel means the distance between these two lines, it remains as it is. If it is x is here, here also it is x. The distance between the parallel line remains as it is. This is same. In this case, so what is this? Is 1, 4, 6, 7. No, they are exterior. They are called one. This you remember. Whenever we say exterior angles, 1, 4, 7, 6 are exterior angles. 1, 4. So these 2, 3, 8, and 5. These are interior angles. So interior angles. Even if they meet here also, even then the same wording goes. You take a parallel line here just for an easy example. This 2, 8 are called interior alternative angles. So this 2 and 8 are alternative angles. They are equal. If this is parallel, this 2 and 8 are called interior alternative angles. This 3 and 5 also interior alternative angles. Alternate angles. So 3 is equal to 5. They are parallel. Whereas 2 equal to 8. Next, what? Let me do this 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are called corresponding angles. Similarly, this 4 and 8 are also called. Similarly, this 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. This 4 and 8 also corresponding angles. Similarly, this 7 and 3 also corresponding angles. What are the corresponding angles? Not only this 1, 5. 1, 5 or this 2, 6. This pair or 4, 8 and 3, 7. These are called corresponding angles. So what is the relationship between this 1 and 7? 1 and 7 called exterior alternate angles. These are exterior but alternate side, different sides of this line. Exterior 1 and 7 are called exterior alternate angles. Similarly, 4 and 6 are on the opposite side. So exterior, external side, exterior alternate angles. Like here interior alternate angles you have found. Interior angle, interior alternate means opposite. Just like this 2835, this 1, 7 and 4, when they are parallel, they are equal. 1 is equal to 7. The two lines are parallel. Please try to remember the term. What is meant by exterior? What is meant by interior? What is alternate angle? What is corresponding angles? It's four definitions we are remember. We should understand what when they explain. What is mean by exterior? What do you mean by interior? What do you mean by alternate angles? What do you mean by corresponding angles? It's four. We have to repeat it and try to memorize. You draw the diagram separately and try to write exterior. What are the exterior? These numbers you try to write and draw the diagram again. Thank you.